Okay, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics, the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the rate and mechanism of chemical reaction, is known as chemical kinetics. Rate, the change in concentration of reactant or product for a time is known as rate of reaction. The decrease in concentration of reactant or increase in concentration of product per unit time is known as the rate of reaction. Is expressed in terms of reactant or in terms of product. It is considered a general reaction. A gives B, a reactant B product. So that rate of reaction in terms of reactant rate equal to minus d over dt. Negative sign indicates that the concentration of reactant goes on the decreasing order. Similarly, the rate of reaction in terms of product rate equal to dB over dt. Types of rate. Initial rate. It is well known that rate of reaction at any time depends upon the concentration of reactants at that times. The rate of reaction is the highest at beginning and then decreases continuously. The rate of chemical reaction at the initial time is called initial rate, or the initial rate of reaction is the rate measured immediately after the reactants are mixed before any significant change in their concentration occurs. Measured at time t equals 0 just after mixing helps determine the rate law of reaction. At this stage, the concentration of reactants is maximum, so the rate is also comparatively high. Average rate. If the rate of reaction is measured at large time interval is called average rate. Also, we can define the average rate of reaction is the change in concentration of reactants of products over a specified time interval. Mathematically, average rate equal to delta concentration over delta T. It gives the overall rate between the two time points, T1 and T2. It does not represent the instantaneous rate at any single moment. Useful for reactions where measuring the initial rates is difficult. If the concentration of reactant decreases from 0.50 mole per liter to 0.30 mole per liter in 10 seconds, then average rate equal to 0.50 minus 0.30 over 10 equals 0.02 mole per liter per second. Instantaneous rate, if the interval of time is infinitesimally smaller, the rate is referred to as instantaneous rate, or the instantaneous rate of the reaction is the rate at a specific moment of time. It's obtained by calculating the slope of the tangent to the concentration versus time curve at that particular time. Mathematically, instantaneous rate equal to d reactant over dt or d product over dt. It tells how fast the reaction is proceeding at the particular instant. More accurate than the average rate, always measured using differential calculus or graphical tangent methods. For example, if t equal to 5 seconds, the slope of the tangent to the concentration time graph is minus 0.04 mole per liter per second. Then the instantaneous rate at 5 seconds is 0.04 mole per liter per second. Unit of rate, the unit of rate of reaction depends on the change in concentration per unit time. We know that the rate of reaction rate equal to change in concentration over change in time. The concentration is usually expressed in mole per liter, and time may be expressed in second or minute or hours. Thus, unit of rate of reaction can be written mole per liter per time. Okay, it's all about rate of reaction. Thanks for watching and request you all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now. Bye bye. See you again.